Hey, what's up? This is Mumure Badura Monday, and you're welcome to my channel. All right. Most persons still don't understand how to, swap coins, how to buy coins from their account, and then swap into the favorite token, new token that they want to buy. Especially those from a country where cryptocurrency is banned, like Nigeria and China. And in the situation whereby cryptocurrency is banned in a country, and then they find a trace of any cryptocurrency transaction, your account will be banned or something. All right, in this video I'm going to teach you. All right, although I've already made a tutorial on it, but in this video we are going to go on we are going to swap more coins like USDT, USDC, play around more coins. All right, see how you can swap, how you can buy coin directly from your bank account then to your trust wallet, and then be able to use it to buy and swap to every other cryptocurrency that you would like to buy. So let's just go through the process. One more thing before we go on, please subscribe to this channel if you like the video I'm making. What I'm doing right here is the knowledge I bring to you can save you a whole lot. Like a lot of person have lost their coin, a lot of person have lost money. When I'm talking about money, I come across people that loses thousands of dollars every day because they just did not get this knowledge that I'm shipping down to these people free of charge. All right. So, and I made a video about coin recovery, and a lot of you contacted me. A lot of you, some of your issues were resolvable, some were not resolvable. So, please always subscribe to my channel, share my video, comment, and then let's go on. I believe by now a lot of person knows how to buy coins with the P2P on Binance. All right, so this is me buying. You can see I've already bought the coin that I want to use. BNB that I want to use to do whatever action that we have to do. You can see I bought BNB worth of 39,000 naira. That's in my local currency. All right, so that's the amount I need. You can see there it was about, that's the total balance, 74.74 BNB. All right, that's 8 is exempted. So after buying BNB through the P2P wallet to on your Binance, then you have the next thing you have to do is transfer everything from P2P to the spot wallet. All right, you can see it there. It's everything now 80 something. Now transferring everything from your P2P to your spot wallet means that okay, you're ready to send the coin out of the wallet. All right, so I've just transferred BNB, and like most person will ask, you have to go to your Trust wallet, copy your Binance Smart Chain wallet address, paste it there, and then come here, enter it on BP20, and then click withdraw. Now usually when you click withdraw, and a code will be sent to your email, and it will be sent to your mobile phone number, if mobile phone number that is registered with your Binance account. All right, so I have to go to my email, copy the code, which you can see right there. Now copy the code, go back to Binance, which the screen is blank right now. If you can see very well, it's blank because of security reasons. Paste the code in there, then the one that is sent to my phone number as well, copy it and paste it in there. All right, all these steps are necessary for successful withdrawal into your Trust wallet. All right, the moment you can see the one sent to the phone number, the moment this code have been properly imputed, now the moment you hit withdraw, immediately the withdrawal will just go through. All right, is immediately, you can't stop it again. So copy it from both ends and then paste it in just the way you are seeing right there, and then click withdraw, and boom, it's gone. So what is just needed now is just the necessary confirmation that is required for the coin to reflect, which doesn't, in most cases it takes in less than 2 minutes. Once you refresh here, you will see the coin reflect. So we are waiting for now is the necessary confirmation needed for this coin to reflect here. So that's just what is needed right there. So while we wait for the coin to reflect, because it is what we want to use to swap to every other coin that we want to do. You can see I've done a good number of transactions on this particular wallet. All right. So most person might ask, why do you have to buy Binance Smart Chain? Already, the Trust Wallet is mainly existing on a Binance Smart Chain, and whenever you want to buy coin, all right, that is Binance Smart Chain network. Other networks are also within it. All right. So whenever you want to buy coin and swap coins to coins, you see it as reflected. All right. So as I was saying, to coins on Binance Smart Chain network, you need a BNB smart chain. All right, then when we've done that, then you click on dApps, go to click on pancake swap. All right, and the first coin that we'll be swapping right here, like I said, we're going to swap some good list of coins, is the Doge coin. We'll be swapping into Doge coin. Now, type in the Dogecoin, all right, because Dogecoin is a bit popular, so the coin should be there. Now, this slippage is at 0.1. I always like to leave my at 1, all right. 1 is always good because 0.1, the transaction might fail and you wouldn't want the transaction to fail. So 1 is good. In most cases, some transaction you have to shift it to as much as 5 or even 12. So now, enter the coin and then choose the necessary parameters just as you can see there, and then to take it to the swap window. All right, this is the total amount plus 0.25 transaction fee that is being swapped. All right, and boom, click confirm, and the coin is swapped already. If you go to the wallet now, if you go to the wallet to check now, you will see that the coin is already existing there right now. All right, that coin has been successfully swapped. Now, the next coin that we want to swap, let's try out some other coins as well. USDT. All right, now after typing in USDT, enter the amount you want to swap and then click on swap. Now when you click on swap, all right, you are swapping BNB to USDT. Click on swap, then click on confirm swap. It will load and then take you to the final swap window where the transaction will be reviewed. It's $10, everything. All right, and everything has been swapped successfully. Now if we go back to the other window right now, all right, if you go back to the wallet now, you discover that all these coins have been successfully swapped in. Now let's try out one more coin, which is USDC. Let's swap $10 worth of it. So you can see the
In the situation
transaction fee
whereby the coin you want to swap
$0.40,
is not
and
displayed
then
there,
this one
even when
as
you
well has
searched
been
it.
successfully
Now
swapped.
that's where we need to go to coin market cap. All right, already have the app here. If you don't have the app, go to your Play Store. Let's say this Safe Moon Cash. All right, I'm going to make a review on Safe Moon Cash soon. So now you have to go to save. You have to go to uh, what do they call it? Coin market cap to get the contract ID of the coin, and then this what you are using to search this time around is no longer the name, but the contract ID of coin market of the coin in particular. All right, this very soon a video about this Save Moon Cash is coming up. All right, I'm going to make a review on it. All right, so now this place here where we normally search for the particular coin in question that we want to swap. All right, because I know most of your okay, here, that's the place you paste the contract ID and the coin will automatically reflect if it's on BS scan. All right, I mean if it, yeah, it will automatically reflect as long as it is on BS scan. Then you can now enter the value that you want to swap. All right, when you enter the value that you want to swap, most of this coin when you try to swap them, they normally take about 20%. So let's say if you are buying like a million copy, just know that what you're getting is about 800,000 copies. All right, or if you are buying a billion copy, you're getting about 800 million copies, something thereabout. All right, so now on this BS scan you can as well make your calculation as well. You can know the exact value that you want to swap by entering you know the particular amount, and then the value will be displayed in USD. All right, then you can actually copy directly from there and then go back to pancake swap to paste it and then carry on your swapping directly. So I'm going to make a video on this exactly. So for now, I'm going to I believe by now you already understand everything that has been done right here. And let's check on our wallet to see the coins that we've successfully swapped. If so, remember we had about 70 something dollar worth of BNB. You see how much there is left now, 18, which means everything was done successfully. If you scroll up the way back up, you see that it's there. Look at the seven cash that we swap is already there. All right, so all the other ones are there as well. So if you enjoyed this video at this point in time, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. All right, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you've already subscribed and then you are finding it difficult to do all these things, I believe now you can do them successfully. Now, thank you for watching my video, and then see you in the next video, where I'm going to be making reviews about saving cash, and then
Alright, so let's talk about Save Moon Cash.